Hey, you guys. Okay, wait, let me breathe because I am honestly way too excited to talk about this today. Hi, I'm Florian, and welcome back to my channel where, we talk all things girl life, real life, and just making everyday stuff a little easier and safer. Number one is a game changer, so don't miss number one. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best security cameras, stick around. I have a $15 off with free shipping discount code available link in description or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, home security and pet cameras with HD video. Here's the thing. I live alone, right? And I kept getting this random feeling at night like, wait, did I lock the door? Is my cat chewing on the wires again? So I started looking for a camera that wasn't super bulky, didn't cost a whole paycheck, and actually looked cute on a shelf. And girl, that's when I found the Blink Mini 2. Okay, so the Blink Mini 2 camera is so tiny. Like, no joke, it fits in my palm. But don't let the size fool you. This thing has HD video clear as day, and it even has night vision, which is kind of creepy, but also kind of amazing. And, hello, two-way audio. So yeah, when my dog starts barking at literally nothing, I can just yell, "No, Max," through my phone. He's still confused every time. Quick tip, though. Make sure you place it somewhere with a good view of the room, but not direct sunlight, because, it can wash out the video a little. And if you're using it for home security, maybe face it towards your front door or windows, just to be safe. Number 4, wireless smart security camera. So, here's the thing. Lately, I don't know, I've just been feeling like security, it's not optional anymore. Whether you live alone, with roommates, or just want to keep an eye on those Amazon packages piling up, a good wireless smart security camera is a must. And not gonna lie, I've tested a few, and girl, some of them were, kind of trash. But, this one, it actually delivers. Okay, so this is the Blink Outdoor 4 wireless security camera, and oh my gosh, it's so much better than I expected. First off, it's totally wireless, so no messy cords running all over your porch or walls. And, okay, side note for my fellow pet moms. I actually pointed one at my patio where my dog chills during the day, and I totally caught him chewing up his bed. So, yeah, now he knows. Mommy is always watching. A quick tip though, make sure your Wi-Fi is solid near wherever you're installing it, because if the connection's kind of weak, the app gets a bit slow. Also, charge the battery before first use. It'll save you time later. Trust me, I learned the hard way. Number 3, two-way talk and manual audio and video privacy cover. So, I've been slowly building my cozy little security setup, and one thing that always weirded me out, cameras inside the house. I love the idea of being able to check in, especially when I'm out, but the thought of it just always being on, no thanks. And that's exactly why I fell in love with the Ring Indoor Cam 2. It has this thing I seriously didn't even know I need until now, a manual privacy cover. You just slide it over the lens and boom, instant peace of mind. No creepy vibes. And, hello, two-way audio. So yeah, when my dog starts barking at literally nothing, I can just yell, "No, Max," through my phone. He's still confused every time. Also, the video is HD, so you'll see everything. Yes, even if your cat is silently judging you from across the room.
Number 2, WYZE WYZE YC3 Cam V3 with color night vision. So I live alone most of the time, and I love my peace, but I also get spooked way too easily. I needed something that could watch my porch, but not feel all intimidating or expensive. And then I found this little gem, the WYZE Cam V3. Y'all, it's so good. Okay, so first of all, it works indoor and outdoor. Love that. Second, and this is the big one, it has color night vision. Like actual color, not that weird gray and white ghosty looking stuff. I legit saw my cat steal a snack in full color at 2 a.m. and it felt like I was watching a reality show. Just a quick tip. If you're using it outside, make sure it's under a little awning or somewhere not too rainy, just to keep it cute and clean. And ooh, use the motion detection zones. You don't want to get like 43 alerts every time a leaf blows by. Been there. It's affordable, reliable, and it works. Whether you're keeping an eye on your doorstep, your pet, or even just want to feel safer when you're home alone, it gets the job done. Number 1. WYZE Indoor Pan and Tilt Smart Security Camera. So I needed a camera that could basically do everything, but without looking like some creepy sci-fi robot sitting on my shelf. And girl, let me tell you, the WYZE Pan and Tilt Cam has been such a win. Okay, so first off, it pans and tilts, which means like it literally follows the action. So if your dog's running from the couch to the window, this cam goes zoop and keeps up. It's kind of wild. And yes, there's HD video, so you can actually see stuff, like clear enough to know if your cat knocked over your candle again. And oh my gosh, the night vision, so clear. Like you can totally see what's happening even in full dark. Also, major bonus, there's custom activity zones, so you only get alerts for what you care about. No more freaking out every time the curtains move, okay? Quick tip though, make sure you don't point it at mirrors because the glare messes with the image. And definitely put it on a higher shelf if you've got pets or chaotic toddlers. So yeah, whether you live alone, with roommates, or you're just a little extra like me, these are the top home security cameras of 2025 that are honestly perfect for every girl who just wants to feel a bit more safe and chill. If you want to check them out, I'll drop the links below. Go peek, compare them, and see what fits your space best. And if this helped even a little, please hit that like button, maybe subscribe if you're into honest, girly guides like this, and leave a comment if you've tried any of these or have one you swear by. I love hearing what works for y'all. All right. Stay safe, stay cozy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.